Welcome back, Raiders! We're at TrustedShoppingGuide.com and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated leather sewing machines. Leather is thick, resistant, and difficult to pierce with a needle. It, however, remains to be one of the most popular and motivating materials for making unique masterpieces. Some enthusiasts choose to sew leather by hand or with a special needle and foot on a conventional home sewing machine. However, if you want to make unique leather products like a pro, you need to use a sewing machine designed specifically for leather. To help you out, we have provided you with a list of the 7 top-rated leather sewing machines available on the market today. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the leather sewing machines that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first leather sewing machine on our list is the Singer sewing machine. The Singer sewing machine can handle thicker fabrics and longer seams with 50% more power and speed without breaking the bank. It includes 23 built-in stitches, including basic stretch, decorative, and buttonhole stitches, allowing you to sew a wide range of projects including clothing, home decor, quilts, crafts, and more. As for the size, it measures 15.5 by 6.25 by 12 inches and weighs 14.5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Singer sewing machine a 5-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: Stitch Selector Dial. Stitches are clearly displayed on the Stitch Selector dial. Just turn the dial to select your stitch. Built-in needle threader. It has a built-in needle threadle for easy needle threading and a speedier start. Clear cover. The clear cover allows you to keep an eye on the bobbin thread supply. Presser foot. The presser foot has an extra high position available to accommodate thick fabrics. Full metal frame. The interior frame of the machine is made of metal, ensuring long-term endurance. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is always turn the hand wheel towards you to avoid damage to your machine. The second leather sewing machine on our list is the Brothers sewing machine. The Brothers sewing machine includes a number 16 needle for heavyweight fabrics such as denim, canvas, and duck cloth, a number 14 needle for sewing layers of fabric, and a number 11 needle for everyday sewing and lightweight fabrics such as silks. It also features 37 built-in stitches for blind hems, stretch stitches, buttonholes, zipper insertion, and more. In terms of size, it measures 7.87 by 16.1 by 12.21 inches and weighs 14.52 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Brothers sewing machine a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: metal needle plate and heavyweight needles. It comes with a metal needle plate and heavyweight needles for easier fabric feeding. 6 sewing feet. The sewing machine comes complete with 6 sewing feet, including a spring action zigzag foot and non-stick blind stitch, zipper, buttonhole, and button sewing feet. Drop feed feature. It comes with a drop feed feature that makes free motion sewing a breeze. Built-in handle. A built-in handle makes it easy to move the sewing machine from the sewing table to the storage area. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is there is no automatic thread cutter when you finish stitching. The third leather sewing machine on our list is the Singer Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. The Singer Heavy Duty Sewing Machine contains 11 built-in stitches, including 6 basic stitches, 4 decorative stitches, and 1 built-in buttonhole, making it ideal for crafts, home decor, and fashion sewing. It measures 18 by 8.8 by 13.4 inches and weighs 14.5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Singer Heavy Duty Sewing Machine a 5-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: heavy-duty metal. The sewing machine's interior skeleton is made of heavy-duty metal, which keeps all of the mechanisms in perfect alignment for skip-free sewing and long-term reliability. Stitch Selector Dial. Buttonholes are sewed in 4 easy steps, all of which are clearly marked on the Stitch Selector Dial. 4 presser feet. It has 4 presser feet for increased functionality. Adjustable needle position. The needle can be changed to any of the 3 available positions to add zippers or a decorative touch with top stitching and cording. Easy to load top drop and bobbin system. It has a bobbin that loads from the top, so it's easy to insert. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it is warranted for use in the US and Canada at 110 volts only. The fourth leather sewing machine in our list is the Janome HD1000 Heavy-Duty Sewing Machine. The Janome HD1000 Heavy-Duty Sewing Machine provides super sturdy construction and easy-to-use features for a dependable and enjoyable sewing experience. Its heavy-duty aluminum body makes it an excellent choice for sewers who want to work with a variety of fabrics and sewing techniques. As for the size, it measures 18.25 by 8.5 by 15.25 inches and weighs 15 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com is awarded the Janome HD1000 heavy-duty sewing machine a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. One-handed needle threader. It has a one-handed needle threader that makes threading a breeze. Free arm. You can remove the accessory storage tray to reveal a free arm for sewing around narrow pieces like sleeves or pant hems. Clear needle plate markings. The needle plate includes clear indications for standard hem and seam allowance measurements. Stitch selection knobs. You can easily use any of the 14 built-in stitches or buttonholes by turning the stitch selection knobs. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the reverse switch is quite small. The fifth leather sewing machine in our list is the Janome HD3000 heavy-duty machine. The sewing machine is designed for both durability and versatility. It's intelligently engineered to deliver the kind of quality work that even the most experienced seamstress would appreciate. In terms of size, it measures 10 by 19 by 15 inches and weighs 18.7 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Janome HD3000 heavy-duty sewing machine a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Adjustable presser foot pressure. This machine can accommodate a wide range of materials thanks to the adjustable presser foot pressure. Free arm capability. Sewing shirt sleeves and pant legs are significantly easier with free arm capability. Protective hardcover. The machine's protective hardcover makes it easy to travel around your house while keeping all of the necessary parts and pieces with you. Built-in storage compartment. It features a built-in storage compartment near the bobbin holder, which is ideal for all the accessories. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is there is no protection on the bottom of the machine. The sixth leather sewing machine on our list is the Rex Portable Walk-in Foot Sewing Machine. The all-metal chassis of the Rex Portable Walk-in Foot Sewing Machine ensures durability and reliability. It boasts a 110-volt motor that provides endurance and power. As for the size, it measures 18 by 10 by 0.1 inches and weighs 37.3 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Rex Portable Walking Foot Sewing Machine a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Skipped stitch technology. It features skip stitch technology and can sew up to 1,200 stitches per minute, making sewing projects quick and easy. Maximum stitch length of 6 mm and a needle bar stroke of 30 mm. This machine allows users to adjust their stitch length based on their desired stitch length, with a maximum stitch length of 6 mm and a needle bar stroke of 30 mm. Bed size of 14.5 by 7 inches and an underarm space of 7 by 4.5 inches. It has a bed size of 14.5 by 7 inches and an underarm space of 7 by 4.5 inches, making it easy to fit into any room. Built-in foot control. The built-in foot control provides users with a quick and efficient sewing experience. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it doesn't work with heavy material. The seventh leather sewing machine on our list is the JUKI high-speed lock-stitch sewing machine. The sewing machine has an energy-saving speed adjustable silent motor that has been found to save up to 20% on electricity. It has a newly designed machine head that was created with beauty in mind. In terms of size, it measures 28 by 25 by 7 inches and weighs 74.8 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the JUKI high-speed lock-stitch sewing machine a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Low vibration and low noise features. The sewing machine provides a comfortable working environment for the operator thanks to its low vibration and low noise features. LED light. It has an LED light which makes it easier to see what you're sewing. Throat plate. The throat plate has marker grooves with different seam widths for easy reference. Built-in winder. Bobbins wind quickly with a built-in winder that sits on the right side of the head. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's quite expensive but offers a lot of great features. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated leather sewing machines, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next leather sewing machine roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We'll look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.